children, today we are going to start with chapter number 8, the local self-government. Right? So, in this chapter, we will study about village panchayat and municipal committee. Where do we see village panchayat? In villages. And if we talk about municipal committees, we see in towns and cities. Right? So, our needs differ from place to place. In our family, our elders take care of us. In the same way, there are common needs of all the people who live in the village or city. In villages, the work of looking after the needs of the people is done by village committee. In cities, municipal committees looks after the needs of the people. Then we have village panchayat. If we talk about village panchayat, it's a body that looks after the affair of the village. A village panchayat can be set up in the village with the population of more than 500. So there is common panchayat for 2 or more villages. The population of each of these villages less than 500. Then how is village panchayat formed? The members of the village panchayat are elected by the 10 men and women of whose age are above 18 years. So a candidate contesting election must complete 21 years of age, and the number of members of panchayat is decided on the what? Basis of population. Right? So there must be an elected woman member also. We have Pradhan or Sarpanch in the village, who is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Now, function of the village panchayat. Let's study about the main function: cleanliness in the village, arrangement of clean and safe drinking water, construction and repair of roads and streets, lightening of street roads, child education, programs of adult education, public health, setting disputes among the villagers, record the birth rate and the death rate, and dispensaries to look after the sick, and they also help in controlling the disease. If we talk about municipal committee, what they looks after? Civic amenities of the people living in towns and cities. In big cities, we have Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai that works in the municipal corporation. Now, how is municipal committee formed? How we form it? As we know that towns and cities are divided into wards. Each ward sends a member and all members are elected by the people whose age is 18 years or above. Elected members of different wards are called municipal councillor. These elected councillors elect their head, and the head of municipal council is called chairman of the president. Right? And in big cities, जो head होता है municipal corporation, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Mayor कहते हैं. Now, what are its functions? Like arrangement of cleanliness in the city, arrangements for clean and safe drinking water for the people, now arrangement of proper lighting on roads, primary health centers and hospitals, provide free child education up to 14 years, construction and repair of roads, construction and repair of parks, to set up adult education and maintain record of child births and death. If we talk about source of income, so what is the source of income? That the tax. The tax we are paying, government is using those tax for the welfare of the people. Right? So, as you know, there's Madra Municipal Corporation, that is Greater Chennai Corporation. ये सबसे आपके oldest है, and it was established in 1688. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.